Look at this beast. Teeth bared, growling. Is the wolf blood boiling? Actually, it's just tug of war. But Loki sounds like a total monster. But listen. Achoo! A sneeze? No, this is called a play sneeze. He's saying, I look scary, but I'm just kidding. It's a gentleman's signal. You get it? Let's go. Loki ramps up the energy, maybe a little too much. Watch this. Whoops. He tried to sneeze mid-jump and crashed. Zero dignity. Forget you saw that. He's so embarrassed. We love you, Loki. Does your dog do this? Subscribe.